exact differential equation, linear differential equation. Now we are going to study reducible to linear differential equation. In reducible to linear differential equation, mainly the Bernoulli's differential equation and the differential equation of this type f dash y dy by dx plus p fy equals q and f dash x dx by dy plus p dash of fx equal to q dash. This differential equation is I have divided into two, the type 1 and type 2. The type 1 differential equation are called Bernoulli's differential equation. The type 1 and type 2 I have given for our convenience only. What is Bernoulli's differential equation? dy by dx plus py equal to q multiplied by y raised to power n. See, dy by dx plus py is equal to q is a linear differential equation in y. But here it is Bernoulli's differential equation. Y to the power n is present in the multiplication of q. So this becomes the Bernoulli's differential equation. Now I am calling this as Bernoulli's differential equation in y. What about p and q? P and q are functions of x or constant. So how do you solve this Bernoulli's differential equation? First of all, you have to divide this entire equation 1 by y to the power n. Then once you divide it by y to the power n, then middle y component is equal to t. You have to substitute. You substitute 1 by y to the power n minus 1 equal to t. If you divide this equation by y to the power n, so what will happen? The 1 by y to the power n dy by dx plus p y by y to the power n means what? 1 by y to the power n minus 1 by law of indices. And that thing you have to substitute equal to t. And further simplification can be met. Now, the Bernoulli's differential equation in y, similarly, the Bernoulli's differential equation in x, all y are replaced by x and x are replaced by y. This is only the difference. See, dx by dy, p prime x now equals q prime x to the power n. Here what to do? Divide this equation by x to the power n, because x to the power n is there in the multiplication. On the right hand side, p dash and q dash are functions of y that we have done previously also. So how do you solve this? So divide by x to the power n. Then middle x component means 1 by x to the power n minus 1 is equal to t. Here to substitute. So we call this as Bernoulli's differential equation in x. Bernoulli's differential equation in y. Bernoulli's differential equation in x. Now, reducible to linear differential equation type 2 you can say f dash y dy by dx plus p f of y q. If you observe this carefully, the derivative of fy with respect to x is being repeated here. Derivative of fy is what? F dash y into dy by dx. The derivative of coefficient of p gets repeated in the first term. The substitute fy equal to t and go on solving. The same thing. Here y and x are interchanged. F dash x dx by dy, p dash of f of x is equal to q dash, where p dash and q dash are what? Functions of y or constant. Here, if you find fx here at the middle term, then derivative of fx with respect to y is f dash x dx by dy. And as I told you earlier, when you solve any differential equation, reducible to exact or reducible to linear, the one important thing you have to remember, that in differential coefficient, if x is present in the denominator, then all derivatives and integration must be carried out with respect to x. In this type of differential equation, whatever integrations or derivatives are there, with respect to x, we have to execute. Here again, differentiate with respect to y and integrate with respect to y. Here differentiate with respect to x and integration with respect to x, like that. So very quickly, the first problem of this type 2 we are going to solve. Because I will not take much practice on type 2 differential equation, because type 2 reducible to linear differential equation is being covered under the Bernoulli's differential equation. This is being covered under this thing. Therefore, only one problem I am going to discuss on type 2. See, this is the problem given to you. dy by dx plus x sin 2y equal to x cube cos square y. So this is the differential equation in terms of dy by dx. We don't want, I am talking about the linear differential equation, the reducible to linear. Remember, the cos square y term is there in the multiplication on the right hand side. I don't want. So I am going to divide by y, divide by cos square y. I am dividing this by cos square y because y term is present in the multiplication. In the type dy by dx differential equation, remember. So 1 by cos square y dividing each term by cos square y. Here x, this is sin 2y. Sin 2y is what? Sin y into cos y. This is a trigonometric formula. You are aware of this. This divided by cos square y, and on the right hand side x cube will remain. Now try to solve it for one more step. 1 by cos square is sec square. Here, what is being cancelled? 1 cos gets cancelled. What will remain? X multiplied by sin by cos means tan of y will remain equal to x cube. Is it? Now, if you look at this differential equation, then this derivative of tan y is present here. What is derivative of tan y? Derivative of tan y is sec square by dy by dx with respect to x. Because when you deal with dy by dx differential equation, all derivatives, all integration must be carried with respect to x. Okay, the x is present in the denominator of differential coefficient. Now substitute tan y is equal to t. This implies derivative of tan y with respect to x now. Sec square y, derivative of tan y, derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of t is dt by dx. Okay. Now this substitution I have to use here. What will happen? See, sec square dy by dx is replaced by dt by dx. Is this equation I am going to, then this is our equation 1 suppose, and equation 1 implies plus x into 2 tan y is t equal to x cube. Is it? Now this is linear differential equation in t now. This differential equation is of the type. We have solved this type of equation, dy or dt by dx plus p into t is equal to q, where p and q must be functions of x. What is p? It is 2x, and what is q? It is x cube. So ensure that. Now this is linear differential equation. This equation is what? Linear differential equation of this type. And what is, how to solve linear differential equation? Linear differential equation requires integrating factor. The formula for integrating factor is e to the power integration of p. E to the power p is what here? 2x. And integration of 2x is what? X square. The e to the power x square is an integrating factor. In online examination, the only integrating factor may be asked. This you may be given, and this will be asked as an MCQ. So once you get integrating factor, you can solve the differential equation. This equation is, okay, this equation is equation 2. I am calling this equation 2. Now solution of equation 2. Okay, solution of differential equation 2. What is the standard format for linear differential equation? This is linear differential equation in t. Remember, the t multiplied by integrating factor is equal to integration of q, right hand side of linear differential equation, multiplied by integrating factor, and we have to carry out derivative and integration with respect to x. Okay, the c is multiplicative constant. You can write down c in the last step also. Integral t multiplied by integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E to the power x square. Okay, this left hand side will be carried out as it is, because on the left hand side we don't have any integration. And t is what? What is t here? See, tan y. Tan y multiplied by e to the power x square. Okay, the q is what? Q of the linear differential equation, x cube, integrating factor. Okay, Now you can put c here. Okay, if you don't put c in the last step, you can do it. So this integration can be easily evaluated. Okay, if you look at this function, then power of x square or argument of x e is what, x square, and this x cube can be written in terms of x square like this. X dx means x cube I have broken like this, x square into x square into x. Now substitute x square is equal to u, because t is exhausted now. T already we used. X square equal to u. 2x dx equal to du. Therefore x dx is what? X dx is du by 2. X dx is du by 2. And this will be applicable on the right hand side, because only right hand side we have integration and we are going to solve right hand side integral. X square is u, x square is u, and x dx is what? Du by 2. See, now this 2 is outside, and integral of u e to the power u with respect to u is what? By integration by part, u e to the power u minus e to the power u, by integration by part, and you can write directly in the examination list. And finally put value of u is what? X square, here u is equal to x square plus c, and left hand side is being carried forward. Okay, this is the solution to this differential equation. So you can add one more step. You can multiply by e to the power minus x square in order to remove e to the power x square from these three terms. So you can multiply by e to the power minus x square and you can have the most simplified answer, but not necessary. Now the second problem is all these problems in order to save time. I have solved this problem on the sheet already, and just I am going to explain very fast. Second problem, dy by dx minus xy is equal to minus y cube e to the power minus x square. If you look at this carefully, then on the right hand side in dy by dx equation, on the right hand side we have y cube in the multiplication, or this equation is of this type. Okay, so this is called the Bernoulli's differential equation. This is called the Bernoulli's differential equation. dy by dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n. And how to solve it? Divide this equation, given equation, by y cube. I am dividing by y cube. 1 by y cube. Y by y cube is 1 by y square equal to, we are dividing it by y cube. And once you divide by y cube, then middle y component is equal to t. You have to substitute. See, minus 1 by y square equal to 2t I am going to substitute. So you can substitute 1 by y square equal to t also. Okay, this minus sign will get adjusted later on. Now, here, minus 1 by y square equal to t. So 2 by its derivative with respect to x. Derivative of y to the power minus 2 is minus 2. Y to the power minus 3 means 2 by y cube dy by dx, dt by dx. I have written here directly. No? Now 2 I am shifting on the right hand side. So when you substitute middle y component equal to t, then its derivative get repeated here. And that is what we have seen in type 2 also. Type 2 reducible to linear differential equation. Then 1 by y cube dy by dx. 1 by y cube dy by dx is replaced by dt by dx into 1 by minus 1 by y square is t. This is as it is. Now this first term of the derivative, we don't want any coefficient here, multiplied by 2 in this way. Now this is linear differential equation. This is linear differential equation. In t, dt by dx plus pt equal to q, and p and q must be functions of x. P is 2x and q is right hand side. It is a function of x. Now find integrating factor e to the power integration of p dx, integration of 2x is x square. Then solution of differential equation, y t multiplied by integrating factor, because this is a linear differential equation in t. T multiplied by integrating factor, integral right hand side of linear differential equation means q. Q multiplied by integrating factor. The right hand side is this thing. Integrating factor with the power x square. Integrating factor is this one. t is minus 1 by y square. Okay. Now e to the power minus x square and e to the power x square will get removed because e to the power by law of indices it will be e to the power 0, e to the power 0 is 1. And integral of minus 2 is what? Minus 2x with respect to x. So this is the solution to this differential equation. Now third one, this differential equation is given. Now this differential equation I am going to solve for one or two steps. I have written dy by dx, this bracket I have shifted on the right hand side. But if you look at this equation now, so here we have two terms in the denominator, single term in the numerator. One is a single term in the numerator. So what I am going to do, I am going to take the reciprocal of it. See, dy by dx is dx by dy, denominator comes in the numerator, numerator comes in the denominator. Now what happened? So there are two terms in the numerator and single term in the denominator. Means it can be easily resolved then. Now what I am going to do, dx by dy as it is, xy I am shifting on the left hand side. Now this differential equation is again Bernoulli's differential equation in x now. This is Bernoulli's differential equation in x of the type dx by dy plus p dash x equal to q dash into x to the power n. But p dash and q dash must be functions of y or constant. This is very important. Now what is p dash here? Here p dash is equal to, what is p dash? P dash is minus x and q dash is equal to what? X cube. P dash and q dash will be functions of this. Now what to do here? Here in Bernoulli's differential equation in y, we have divided equation by y component. Here in dx by dy, Bernoulli's differential equation, we have to divide it by x cube, x component, means divide by x cube. 1 by x cube dx by dy, x by x cube means 1 by x square. Okay, and this y cube by x cube is 1, like this. Now once you divide by x cube, the middle x term means minus 1 by x square is middle x term. So you can substitute simply 1 by x square also equal to t. Then take derivative with respect to y. Remember, all derivatives and integration must be carried out with respect to y because y appears in the denominator of differential coefficient. Take derivative with respect to y. Derivative of minus x to the power minus 2 is 2 x to the power minus 3 dx by dy. Derivative of this with respect to y is dt by dy. Now once you take derivative, the variable component gets repeated. See, 1 by x cube dx by dy gets repeated. This 2 is unwanted, you can shift on the right hand side. Then 1 by x cube dx by dy is replaced by 1 by 2 dt by dx. See here, minus 1 by x square is t, y is as it is, y cube is as it is. This 2 is unwanted element multiplied by 2 dt by dy plus 2y t equal to 2y cube. Now this is linear differential equation. Okay, this is linear differential equation of this type. See, dt by dy plus p dash of t is equal to q dash. This is linear differential equation in x now. This is a linear differential equation in x. This is linear differential equation in t now, t, because dt by dy is there. In the numerator t is present. So this is linear differential equation of the type dt by dy plus p dash t equal to q dash. P dash is 2y and q dash is 2y cube. Find integrating factor. This is integrating factor formula for dt by dx. Then integration of 2y is y square, like this. The solution of the differential equation, solution of this differential equation, I am calling this as 2. The solution of differential equation 2 is what? T multiplied by integrating factor, because this is linear differential equation in t. We have to start from t. T multiplied by integrating factor is equal to integral of q dash. Q dash is 2y cube multiplied by integrating factor, and we have to carry out integration with respect to y. Integrating factor is to the power y square, and the same type of integration we have solved earlier. So y cube can be splitted like this, y square into y, and 2 is as it is. Then substitute y square equal to u, 2y dy equal to du, 2y dy equal to du. This is u, this is u. Now integration of u e to the power u is what? U e to the power u minus e to the power u. U e to the power u minus e to the power u. Okay, using integration by part. And t is what? Minus 1 by x square. That is very clear that I have substituted. Then finally put the value of u. U is y square. Okay, this is the solution to this differential equation or this differential equation. Okay, these two are same. Now the fourth one, solve this differential equation. Observe differential equation carefully. This is dy by dx differential equation, and here root of y, root of sec x is present. I am dividing by cos x term. Sin x by cos x is 1, root of sec x by cos x. Then this is as it is, y to the power 1 by 2 root sec x, and 1 by sec x is what? 1 by cos x is what? Sec x. Then sec multiplied by sec raised to power 1 by 2, sec raised to 3 by 2. Now this is what? This is Bernoulli's differential equation. This is what? Bernoulli's differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation. dy by dx is py is equal to q into y to the power n. Divide this by y to the power 1 by 2. 1 by y to the power 1 by 2. Y to the power 1 by 2 means root y. Y by root y is root y. This is as it is. Dividing by y to the power 1 by 2 or root y. This will be there. Now, when you divide it by y term, the middle y component is equal to t. Here to substitute. Take derivative with respect to x. Derivative of root y is 1 by 2 root y. Divide by dx, and derivative of t is this one. This 2 is unwanted. Shift it on the right hand side. This 1 by root y divided by dx is replaced by 2 dt by dx. This is t. Tan x as it is. Sec raised to 3 by 2 as it is. Now, divided by 2. If you divide it by 2, then this is a linear differential equation in t now. This is what? Linear differential equation in t, where p is tan x by 2 and q is the right hand side. See, p and q. Then find integrating factor e to the power integration of p, e to the power 1 by 2 tan of x. Then integration of tan is what? Log of sec x. 1 by 2 can be brought here by law of logarithm. E to the power log of sec raised to power 1 by 2. E and log will get removed. Then integrating factor is sec raised to power 1 by 2. Once you get integrating factor, write down the solution to linear differential equation, and this is linear differential equation in t. The solution y multiplied by integrating factor is equal to integral of q of linear differential equation. Q multiplied by integrating factor sec square x is there. Now 1 by 2 is outside. Sec raised to 3 by 2 into sec square means sec raised to 1 by 2 means sec square. And integral of sec square is what? Integral of sec square is tan. Integral of sec square is tan. In this way we solve this problem. Next one, fifth problem now. This is the differential equation. Now this is differential equation in terms of dx by dy. Remember, for dx by dy, we want only terms in y on the right hand side. If x terms are there in the multiplication, it becomes the Bernoulli's differential equation in x. So what we do there, the divide by x square. Okay, if you divide by x square, then 1 by x square, x by x square is 1 by x, y as it is, e to the power y square by 2 log y as it is. Now, if you divide it by x square, the middle x component is equal to t, here to substitute. Means 1 by x equal to t, here to substitute. And definitely the derivative of this gets repeated here in the first term. Derivative with respect to y now, because y is present in the denominator of differential coefficient. Take derivative with respect to y. Okay. And derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square dx by dy. Derivative of t is dt by dy. Minus sign you can shift on the right hand side. So it will be what? Dx by dy is what? 1 by x square. Here, this one. Equation 1 becomes. So 1 by x square dx by dy is minus dt by dy. Some steps I have written directly, and 1 by x is what t, y is as it is, right hand side is as it is. So minus is unwanted, you can multiply throughout the equation by minus in order to remove this minus sign. This minus will come here, minus will come here. Now this is linear differential equation in t. So this is linear differential equation in t, and y is present in the denominator, therefore minus of y is what? P dash, and right hand side is q dash. Okay, this is p dash and q dash. The find integrating factor with the power integration of p dash dy, integration of y is minus y square by 2, and solution of the differential equation is what? T multiplied by integrating factor is equal to integral of, right, q multiplied by this is q multiplied by integrating factor e to the power y square by 2, e to the power minus y square by 2, and its multiplication will be e to the power 0. E to the power 0 is 1, only log y is remaining. And now integration of log y you can easily calculate. Now how do you calculate integration of log y? In this way you can calculate 1 multiplied by log y. Consider log y as the first function and 1 as the second function. Use integration by part and try to get the integration. And once you get the integration, that will be the last step of the solution to this differential equation. In this way, the linear differential equation and reducible to linear differential equation we discussed. We stop here. Thank you very much.